it's your birthday?
Mommy, open in it.
What are those, Ginger?
Open in it, Mommy.
What'd you
Start
get?
tearing it open.
Let me go get the game.
Tell Mommy what you got.
The open in it.
Okay.
You can open them, Ginger. Tear it open.
I got presents.
Yeah.
Look,
Here.
open it. Open it right here. Grab right there.
There you go. Tear it open.
Open Cinderella.
No, that's Snow White.
Open. He's so cute. Oh, that new paint.
What's
No.
in there? Your own hair dryer. Let's open the other stuff and then I'll put batteries in that. But look at these pretty things. I know you were, but I was asking to hold on to them.
Oh.
She doesn't care. Let him come over here. Well,
You
okay.
guys sit down because you guys are too big.
Here, come here, Ginger. You want to open this?
Where are you going with that one, Jake? You taking it
What's in here?
What do you got? Oh, what is it?
Oh, it's a vacuum sweeper.
Jacob, Jacob, bring me the bow.
What you got, Ginger? Show me.
Okay, look. Hang on, Ginger.
Looks like the buckets I had at my work.
Ginger, how old are you today?
IB2. These are the batteries, but we gotta wait till we can get this thing out. We gotta wait a minute. Daddy wants to get some.
Was she told us?
Yeah, that's weird. Mark, it's almost like you need a Phillips head.
What you got? What do you need? No, what you need is bird
Seriously?
dog.
Hey, Ginger, right here.
Here.
No, no.
Ginger Grace, where'd you go?
Mom, over there.
Can you wait 1 minute? Stand next to Red.
Okay, you guys ready?
Happy
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ginger. Happy birthday to
Now blow
you.
your candles out.
Blow on them.
Well,
Yay! Way to go, Ginger. We're going to get you some cake.
Don't worry.
Put a bib on.